In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset the Microsoft Excel to the default settings. Now first what you wanna do is you wanna come down here and search for regedit. There will be a register editor. You wanna locate the current user. From in here, go to software. Then scroll down until you find Microsoft. In Microsoft, you wanna find Office. And under Office, you want to open up the latest 15.0, 16.0. If you have 17.0, you want to open up that. 16.0 is the latest, so you want to open up that. Then from in there, you want to find the Excel folder. You want to right click on it and delete the folder. Now when you delete this folder and you open up Excel, it's gonna reset the Excel and start as a fresh new one. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.